Hey everyone! Did you know that your mindset can shape your reality? It's pretty wild, right? Positive thinking isn't just a fluffy idea, it can seriously impact your mental health. Stick around, and let's dive into how you can make your thoughts more positive in 2024. So, as we kick off a new year, it's the perfect time to focus on cultivating those positive thoughts. I mean, who doesn't want to start fresh with a more optimistic mindset? In this video, I'll share some practical tips and strategies that you can use to foster positivity in your daily life. By the end, you'll be ready to tackle 2024 with a whole new perspective. Now, let's talk about the challenges we all face when it comes to keeping our thoughts positive. We've all been there, right? You wake up, look in the mirror, and the negative self-talk starts rolling in. It can be tough. Plus, there's the pressure from the outside world, whether it's work stress, family expectations, or even that endless scroll on social media. You know the drill, seeing everyone's perfect lives can sometimes make you feel like you're not measuring up. It's a lot, and it can definitely weigh you down. But don't worry. There are ways to fight back against that negativity. One awesome technique is gratitude journaling. Just jotting down a few things you're grateful for each day can shift your focus from what's wrong to what's right. Another great way is practicing mindfulness. Taking just a few minutes to breathe and really be present can help clear your mind and reduce stress. And let's not forget the power of surrounding yourself with positive influences. Whether it's uplifting friends, inspiring podcasts, or motivational books, having good vibes around you can make a huge difference. Now, here's the real kicker: the most impactful method I've found for transforming negative thoughts into positive ones is visualization. I remember a time when I was stuck in a loop of self-doubt. I started visualizing my goals, actually picturing myself achieving them. It was like flipping a switch. Suddenly, I was more motivated and confident. It's amazing how your mind can change your reality when you imagine success. Alright, let's wrap this up. We've covered some key techniques for fostering positive thoughts this year: gratitude journaling, mindfulness practices, and surrounding yourself with positivity. Embracing a positive mindset can lead to a more fulfilling and joyful year ahead, so why not give it a shot? And before you go, I want to hear from you. What are some of your own tips for positive thinking? Drop them in the comments below. Also, if you haven't checked out my last video on mindfulness practices, make sure to give it a watch. Thanks for tuning in, and here's to a fabulous 2024.